Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your shows or programs from RadioBOSS. RadioBOSS is a cool feature where we can actually record our shows while they're going on the air. So first things first, for that, all we would have to do is open up the program. Then we click the little red dot right next to the plus button letter. We click on it. It automatically opens up a stream archive window. So it says save stream to a file. We can leave that unchecked. And then there's another option that says record only when the mic is on. So let's say you want to record only when you're doing live shows. We just click that on, and anytime you press mic at the very bottom right, it'll automatically start recording the program. So then there's a codec option where we can choose the quality, MP3, AAC+, stereo or mono, and then the kbps. We normally leave it at 128, and exactly as it is now, 44100 MP3 stereo, but you can choose whatever you'd like here from the codec tab. Then lastly, there's a save file, where it asks us, we click on this little three icons, it opens up our file explorer, and it asks us to select what folder we'd like the program to save onto. Most of the time it'll save it on RadioBOSS's root folder, but we'd like to just leave video so it's a little easier to find them. And then it shows us an example of where the file will be hidden and what the name will be. And then it says split records into 60-minute seconds. So let's say you have a 2-hour program, you would just change this to 120, but for now we're just going to leave it at 60 as it is now. Then we just click OK. And then once we have that ready to go, and let's say we want to go ahead and start recording, we click on the red dot, we click OK one more time, and automatically starts recording. At the very bottom right, we see here that we were already recording for 4 seconds, 5, it's keep going up. So basically you would just start your program, you're doing it live, you're pretty much having the time of your life doing your program. And then once you're all done, all you would do is just click one more time in the red square, and it automatically is done recording. And then you would go to your videos folder and you'd find the file. So any questions or comments in regards to this video, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and we're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.